This Smart TV's local preview walks through Samsung screen mirroring. Watch the remote action first, then match the highlighted target on the TV. For iPhone mirroring, open Samsung Settings, General, then Apple AirPlay Settings. Make sure AirPlay is on. On Android, open the Quick Panel and tap Smart View. Select the exact Samsung TV name from the device list. When the TV asks for permission, highlight Allow and press OK. If you miss this prompt, mirroring may fail silently. If the TV never appears, check the router. AP isolation or guest Wi-Fi can block phones from seeing the Samsung TV. Open Support, Software Update, and Update Now. Firmware updates can fix both AirPlay and SmartView discovery problems. For a Windows PC, press Windows K and select the Samsung TV. This tests Miracast separately from phone mirroring. That is the guided path. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TVs article, model notes, and fallback options.